Today we'll be working on goal number 3, mathematics. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, model prompts, guided practice, and scaffolding, Reynaldo will solve 1- and 2-step problems using data from a frequency table, pictograph, bar graph, line graph, and stem and leaf plot, measured at a 70% accuracy rate. Objectives. By 9 instructional weeks, given verbal, visual prompts, guided practice, and scaffolding, Reynaldo will solve 1- and 2-step problems using data from a frequency table and pictographs with 70% accuracy. We will rework on this activity to see the improvement Reynaldo made from last week to this week. The following tally chart shows the number of bicycles a bike shop sold during a period of 5 weeks. Use the data to answer the questions. Number 1. How many bicycles were sold in the second week? Number 2. How many bicycles were sold in the last week? Number 3. How many bicycles were sold in the first and third week? Number 4. How many bicycles were sold in the 5 weeks altogether? Number 5. The price of a bicycle is $550. Calculate how much money the bike shop made on the bicycles and complete the table. Next activity. Vehicles passing by. A group of students counted the vehicles that passed by the school for 1 hour and made the following tally chart of their findings. Number 1. How many cars did the students count? Number 2. How many buses and bicycles did the students count? Number 3. How many scooters and cars did they count? Number 4. How many more bicycles than scooters did they count? Number 5. How many scooters, cars, and buses were counted? Number 6. How many vehicles did they count altogether? Number 7. How many wheels would the counted scooters normally have? Let's move on to goal number 4. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, Reynaldo will identify the names and values of all coins: the quarter, the nickel, the dime, and the penny, and bills: the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the $10 bill, the $20 bill, the $50 bill, and my favorite, the $100 bill, with 70% accuracy. On this activity, I want Reynaldo to calculate all the coins together. Where it says how many did you find, I want him to write down the number of coins he counted. After finding the amount of coins he counted, I want Reynaldo to add all the nickels up. He will find the monetary value of each nickel combined. For example, if there's 5 nickels, he will have 25 cents. If there's no space on his paper, he can write his answers on a separate sheet of paper. I will be sending these IEP goals through WhatsApp. Upon completion, please send me a picture so I can upload it to his IEP file. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to send me a WhatsApp message or give me a call and I will clarify any information. Thank you.